Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this video. I'll be explaining to you how to use our updated Getting Started pages that you can find here on this Start menu item. So if you click it, you're redirected to the page where we begin to introduce you to the platform. Of course, we welcome you if you start using it. And so let's just jump into an example article for using the textures. It's the latest that we wrote. So this one just introduces you on how to upload your asset, like a JPEG file, and then how to use it in your 3D environments. And you can just download your image here. We explained that, but what I'm particularly proud of are those embedded editors that we've made specifically for you, with short snippets of code, be it a read editor, be it a Blockly editor or TypeScript editor. They all do the same thing, and you can just click run button here and you see that immediately the code executes, and you can enter this 3D environment by swiping the canvas. You can rotate and analyze what you've done. You can also click this full screen button and enter a full screen mode of your editor, so that helps you inspect the code even better. We do advise that you do that on your desktop. You can inspect, you can even change the code if you want to, so you can play around. You can say, yeah, maybe you want to make the plane bigger, so let's do that. So let's make it 70, and let's maybe also change the cube size to something 15. Yeah, that just changes immediately. And of course, nothing gets saved to the cloud or something. It's the project that was created by someone else, right? By us in this case. You can export that. So you can export this to a file, and that just goes to your downloads folder. You can close the full screen and you come back to the documentation page itself. You can then go ahead and just try out another script if you want to analyze the code here. Enter 3D mode again, analyze everything in 3D. And of course, TypeScript is another of our options. And you see here that you also get the same exact result, right? So this, I think, helps people understand fundamental concepts of bit by bit better, and also teaches them about the possibilities of creating these things in 3 different environments. And yeah, then you can just choose which one you like most, right? Yeah, and we have another category, for example, here with some 3D assets loaded. Also, again, we provide you 3 types of editors, and we just hit run, and you see that we now use step file and GLB file in one scene. And yeah, you can just analyze how to do that in these code snippets. If you hit run again, you will see that it's exactly the same result, right? And full screen mode works as it works with read. You can also just check then in full screen the code itself. Okay, so I guess this is quite clear. So yeah, we continue to expand these topics. We did write quite a few new articles and tutorials that you can check out. Some are really simple, like this one, for example, just parametric cube. Yeah, it's of course just few components that you get to understand, but it's still fun, right? You can just play around, interact, see how it all works, and yeah, understand the concepts better. That's the goal here. Okay. This is enough for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe and follow us on social media. And let's see each other in the next videos. Cheers, guys.